Now you see this cartoon video you are watching right here. This cartoon video you are watching, I created this cartoon video with AI. In fact, everything was done with AI. I did not pay for anything. I did not subscribe to any software, and I created this kind of video you are seeing right here. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create something amazing like what you just watched 1 minute ago. And you creating those type of videos, you can also be making massive income from it every day. In fact, look at this TikTok account here. It's getting massive views every day. In fact, it's earning a lot of money from this TikTok account. In fact, this type of account you are seeing, there are a lot of accounts like this you are seeing right now that are making massive money for themselves every day just by creating children cartoon videos like this. And you can also do so without paying for any software, without even subscribing to anything, without even any skills, without any knowledge. I'm going to show you in this video how you can create something like this and be posting on any of your social media account. In fact, even if you go to Facebook, you will see a lot of pages. On YouTube here, you will see a lot of channels who are posting children cartoon videos like this, and they are making massive money from it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also create children cartoon videos like this for free without paying for any software, without subscribing to any AI tool. You can also do so. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, you may miss some things I'm going to teach you in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupeflaver TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do it to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go drive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can use Nano Banana AI with Google Gemini and create amazing videos like what you just watched a moment ago and be making massive money for yourself every month. So right now, to create something amazing you just watch like those children cartoon videos, all you have to do is to head over to your phone. You can use ChatGPT to generate your prompt, to generate how you want your video to be. And if you don't know about ChatGPT, you can go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and you go and search for ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the app. You download the app and you register. If you don't have the app on your phone, you can download it. And if you already have the app, all you just have to do is just to log in. So after you log in, all you just need to do is to tell ChatGPT how you want your video to be. So I will tell ChatGPT I want to create a kids cartoon video. So I want you to write me a full video scene with the image of each scene and character. Character. Let's say 3-minute video. So let's just click on continue. So you guys can see what I tell ChatGPT. I say I want you to create a kids cartoon video. So I want you to write me a full video scene with image of each scene and character. 3-minute video. So I just put it there like that. Now this is what ChatGPT says. Say before write the full 3-minute kids cartoon video script with the details scene, image prompt. Please confirm a few details so I can make it exactly how you want. Themes and lesson. What should the cartoon teach or focus on? E.g., kindness, team, honest, sharing, brushing teeth, clean up, learning colors. Do you want animals or lion cartoon kids? So let's say
You can just choose any one of your choice, I have a prompt that I'm using already. I have a prompt which I use. Let's say animal. Or 3D, 3D, 3D. Just say playing. You can just type anything. You can type anything how you want the video should be on your mind. You can type it. Just say okay. Continue. You can say continue. Now let's wait for it to continue. Now, as you can see, it's breaking it down. It says, let's create 3D kit cartoon, perform animal since you said continue. So now, as you can see, this is it. As you can see, every scene has its own image. It has its own description. Now, as you can see, the first scene here, it was bright sunny morning in animals village, bright. So you can use all this now. So you see it. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to take the first thing here. As you can see, say image prompt. Now you just copy this image prompt here. Let's click on select. So you click on image prompt, you copy. After you copy this image prompt, we are using Nano Banana AI to generate our image. So now let's go to Gemini and use Google Nano Banana AI in Gemini. Now this is Gemini, which as you can see, I've created this. Now let's click on new. So let's click on create image. Now when you click on, oh sorry, my hand mistakenly tap on it. Let me click on new again and click on create new image. So I can decided to upload one image as an example, or I can just paste the prompt here. The prompt I just copy right now and said make it ratio 9.6. That is, if you want to use it for YouTube, TikTok, you can put the ratio. But if you want to use it for YouTube, you can also put YouTube ratio. So let me just check for TikTok. This is TikTok ratio. Let's click on continue, and it's going to generate the image for us. Now let's wait for the image. Continue. Now, as you can see, this is what it generated for us. As you can see, African little girl named Amina walking happily in a colorful. So this is the image. So if I want him to generate it in the sense that I want him to use it in a YouTube way, I want to use the image for YouTube, I can just give it a YouTube prompt or just put a YouTube ratio or TikTok ratio, and it's going to do it for you. So make sure, for example, if I want to use it for TikTok right now, I need to upload an image that has TikTok ratio. For example, right now, as you can see, this image, let me use this image for example. This image has TikTok ratio. This image you are seeing here, as you can see, it has TikTok ratio. Now, when I upload this image, I'll upload the prompt again so that it will generate it according to TikTok prompt, like this TikTok ratio. So let's wait for it. Let's just give you some minutes. Now, as you can see, it have regenerated it to that ratio. Because if you don't use the ratio, you don't upload an image of that ratio you want, just like a sample, it will generate it 1.1 for you, and you only can use it on maybe Instagram. But right now, this one you can use it on TikTok. So if you want to use it for your TikTok, or if you want to also use it for your YouTube, you just upload YouTube image ratio and it's going to do it. So let's click on download and save this. Then after saving it, the next thing, we'll copy our second prompt again. Now, as you can see, the second thing here, this is the second prompt here. You copy it. After you copy it, you go back again, you paste it here. We have already have the image prompt ratio. You paste it here, and when you paste it, it's going to do it for us. Let's wait for it to complete. Now, as you can see, this is it. You click on save again. Now let's move to the next one. I don't want to waste much of your time. This is the next one. You copy and you generate. Let's move back. Generate. Let's give you some minutes. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so that you'll be getting latest updates like this one. So subscribe and also like this video. Now this is the next one. You click on save again. You download it. After you download, now let me generate the entire scene. After I generate the entire scene, I'm going to continue because I don't want this video to be so long. So let me forward the video small. Now I have successfully generated all the image. As you can see, this is all the image. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ChatGPT gave us 5. You can click on continue, it will generate more if you want your videos to be so long. But this is what I want. So right now, I'm going to convert this image to an video. Every scene, I'm going to convert it to video. So to do this, we are going to be using AI called Grok AI. We are using Grok AI and it's free also. So let's use Grok AI. You can go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Let's search for Grok AI. You can just search for Grok AI like this. Grok AI. Now this is the app. As you can see, it's telling me to update, but I don't want to update right now. So you can search for it and you download it and install it on your phone. So when you install it, you open it. Now when you open it, you can register. So after you successfully register, you come to this interface like this. You are going to see imagine up here. You tap on imagine, and when you tap on imagine, you are going to see add image here. As you can see, add image. Now when you click on add image, before you click on add image, make sure you go to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT. Where is ChatGPT? This is ChatGPT, and you follow the prompt from up again. The scene from scene 1. Now, as you can see, the scene 1 here, it said description, virtual description. So this is how this scene 1 is supposed to be. Now, as you can see, let's click on copy. After you click on copy, you come back to ChatGPT. This is our first image here. You upload the image. As you can see, when you are uploading the image, you paste the prompt here. And after you paste the prompt, you click on continue. Now, ChatGPT is going to generate this video for us. It's going to turn the image into an video for us that this girl will be performing according to what we tell him, according to what ChatGPT gave to us. Now let's wait for some minutes and it's going to generate it for us. Now it has generated it. As you can see, it has generated it. Now the next thing you are going to do is just to click on download here, and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. Now it has downloaded to our phone. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back and go to the second scene here, what the image should do. As you can see, virtual description. We also copied. We copy, then we go back to the Grok AI. We upload our second image. This is our second image. It's uploading already. Then we put the prompt here and we click on continue. So it's going to generate it for us in less than 1 minute or so. So let's just give it some minutes and it's going to generate it for us. Don't forget to like this video and also comment. Now it has also done that for us. As you can see, it has also done that. Then the next thing we're going to do is to click on download, and we'll download this to our phone. Then after you download it, you can go to the next scene again also. As you can see, you copy it one by one. This is the third scene here. You upload the image, you do it. So let me pause this video and complete everything. Then I will take you guys to the next step where you can generate your sound. So now let me continue. Let me pause this video for now. Now I've successfully generated all the video scene. Now I'll be using CapCut to combine the video together to edit it so that I'll add it up. And this is CapCut. Then I'll click on add video. So these are the scene. These are the scene. I've not added scene 1. Let me add scene 1. Now I've added all the else scene. As you can see, this is all the scene. I've added up together. So after adding up together, the next thing I'm going to get my music sound. We can also tell ChatGPT to get us music sound that will match this video. So let's go to ChatGPT again. Here's our ChatGPT. As you can see, say anything. So we said write music that we match the video just using in Nano AI. I'll be using Nano AI to generate the music sound. So as you can see, so this is the music. So we'll just copy this. As you can see, we'll click on, we'll copy everything to this place. Now to this place. Then we'll click on copy. Then we'll go to this website. We'll come to this website called Nano.ai. Then you click on this music icon. Sorry, the network. Let me refresh. The network is bad. So let's just give it some minutes. Then the next thing you click on customize here. When you click on customize, you put your lyrics here. The lyrics will just copy right now. You put it here. Then music type. You come back to ChatGPT. You come back to ChatGPT. As you can see, it says style. This is music type. You copy it. Sorry, we copy. You copy. When you copy, you go back again. And you paste the music type here. And when you paste the music type, the next thing you click on create. And when you click on create, just give it some minutes and it's going to create your music for you. So let's just give it some minutes. Now, as you can see, it says creating. So it's creating the music for us. Let's just give it some minutes. Now, after it creates the music, I don't want this video to be so long. All you just need to do is just come back to your ChatGPT here and you add the music. You edit it, you add the music and you save. And this is how you can create something amazing like this. So, like this video, comment and also share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you guys on our next video.